In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Zotero library online. Whether you're a researcher, student, or just someone who loves organizing information, sharing your resources digitally can be a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take your carefully curated Zotero library and make it accessible online, which is perfect for collaborating with peers or showcasing your work. So let's get started. Begin by opening the Zotero software on your computer. If you're not familiar with Zotero yet, it's a powerful tool that helps you collect, organize, and share references and bibliographic data. Once you have it opened, you should see your library with all your collections and items. Now, look at the left-hand side of the Zotero interface. You want to click on the My Library section. This is the area where all of your documents are stored. It's essentially the digital equivalent of your own personal filing cabinet filled with notes, references, and academic treasures. Moving on to the next step, you'll notice a sync button on the right-hand side of the Zotero window. It's often represented by a circular arrow, and it is usually towards the upper right section. Click this sync button. What this does is it updates your online library with any new resources, collections, or annotations you've added locally on your computer. This step is crucial because it ensures that everything you've worked on is mirrored in your online Zotero account. Now that you've synced your library, it's time to navigate to the Zotero website. Open your web browser and log into the Zotero website using your account credentials. Once logged in, you should have access to the same collections and documents you have on your desktop application. Now browse through your library online. It's all there. You can see each item, click through your collections, and explore your notes. This online version is a reflection of your offline work. And it's from here that you can share your library. If you're collaborating with colleagues or want to publish your resources for a wider audience to see, this is where having your library online really shines. You can easily share it via a link or invite others to collaborate on specific collections. Remember, publishing your Zotero library online not only helps in sharing and collaborating, but also serves as a backup. You're securing your hard work and can access it from any computer by simply logging into your account. This flexibility ensures that no matter where you are, your research is always within reach. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this process empowers you to make the most of your research and collaboration efforts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides like this. Together, we can make the research process a little bit easier and much more efficient.